Do you work with hazardous substances, fine dust, or gases that you cannot even see? We have the solution. Welcome, my name is Vincenzo Russo and I am the Key Account Manager in the Export Department of TBH GmbH. TBH is a manufacturer of extraction and filtration system suitable for many applications. For over 30 years, TBH are offering their products in over 80 countries worldwide. Today, I would like to present you our LN and GL series, which you see here. We can use this system for a single workplace or also for multiple workplaces, wherever harmful emissions in the form of gases or dust occurs. First, I will start with our smooth and quiet system, the GL series. By emitting low frequency sounds rather than high frequency sounds, it is much more pleasant to the human ear in the workplace. Therefore, it is not disturbing. The LN series is working with a high velocity turbine and is suitable especially if we need a high velocity inside the hose. For example, to collect big particles and heavy particles. Or if we need to work with small hoses or long hoses. Of course, because of the high velocity turbine, the LN series is stronger than the GL series. It reaches an air pressure of 20,000 Pascal or 15,000 Pascal, depending on the type of system. The GL reaches only an air pressure of 6,000 Pascal. But the GL series reaches a high airflow rate. For example, the GL 230 reaches 300 cubic meters per hour and the LN 230 only 250 cubic meters per hour. The difference between 230 and 265 variant are actually only the dimensions and the performance. The filter of the GL and the LN series are the same. Of course, if you take the GL 265, which is deeper than the GL 230, the filter surface will increase and therefore the filter lifetime would be longer. As you see, the systems are mobile and are equipped with an LCD display at the front for intuitive operation. This comes as standard. And at the front, I can basically read the most important information. For example, the operation hours, the speed, which we can freely regulate, and the filter status. This becomes visible with saturated filter in form of bars, which then go from green to yellow and at last to red. Then we need to change the filter. We can connect very easily on all our system hose. Look, here. Here. You need only to remove the small covers, backside, and connect the hose you need. This hose goes then directly into your machine to exhaust the particle directly on the point of origin. Certainly, if you have a hand workplace like soldering, gluing, you can install an extraction arm or another accessory. This should be decided individually. I would like to talk briefly about the interface. I can connect our cable remote control to the interface port, in this case sub D25, where I have the following function: start-stop the system, regulate the airspeed and see the current filter status. I can also control the system via the interface using the RS232 and get so all function and information available. If you need more information, please do not hesitate to contact us. Now, I would like to talk about the filter change on this series. It is very comfortable and quickly to do. First of all, I need to open the clamps on the left and right side and remove the top cover. Earlier I talked about the different openings. Here you see them. As said before, you can connect your hose here. These covers are easy to remove and easy to put it back on. Now we come to the filter unit. You can see here on the GL230 standard the filter pad. I can remove it and change it. Of course, it is important to wear personal protective equipment when doing this. Next comes the particle filter with the MDF wooden frame. I can also remove it easily with the help of the loops. Last but not least, the activated carbon filter, which absorbs the gases which will be generated by the process. Then I can put all new filters back in, put the top cover on it, close the clamps, and then I can continue to work with clean and new filters. You see them. The replacement of the filter on the LN230 is the same. The system is a bit taller because we have mounted a bigger pre-filter, the Z-Line Panel Plus. This module is upgradable thanks to the modular design of our machines. This simple requires an additional housing and this Z-Line filter. Then it should be mounted between the top cover and the filter module. On the back side of the system we find the air outlet, where the filtered and cleaned air comes out. The exhaust grill can also be optionally replaced with an air outlet plate with outlet socket. With this we can forward the filtered air with a hose to the outside or connect it to an existing central hall exhaust system. Please note the diameter of the outlet nozzle should always be larger than the diameter of the exhaust hose in order to avoid counterpressure. We see here the extraction arm from the company Alcident. We have been working very successfully with Alcident for almost 20 years, and the extraction arm is available in various designs and lengths. Now we are looking at the aluminium version, but there is also the static version with black joints and the chemical resistant version in PPT material, for example, then when we need to work with aggressive gases. The extraction arms can be mounted directly on the top cover of the exhaust system, as we see it here. The end part of the arm are available in different designs. There is the round hood, there is an angular hood, a transparent hood, or a suction tip. It is very important that the Alcident logo is always above. If that is the case, then the arm is fully functional and lasts for a long time.